Hello everyone. As I mentioned in the previous video of installation of Garuda Linux, every time a system is upgraded in Garuda, timeshift is pre-configured to capture a snapshot of the working system and store it so that in future if the upgrade fails to boot or if a user breaks the system, then the user can roll back to one of the previous snapshots of the working system. So now let's see how to roll back to a previous working system. Now, while booting into the Garuda Linux, this grub screen occurs. So, in the grub, we need to first move to the Garuda Linux snapshots option, then enter, and here we can see the snapshots that are captured till now. So, the lowest one is the first snapshot after the first upgrade that was created during the post installation steps. Now, second snapshot and the third snapshot were created due to the upgrade. So the third snapshot is the latest one. So we will first move to the latest snapshot. Now in that snapshot, the first option is booting. If the first option fails to boot, then it's recommended to go for the second option. Now this is a Garuda installation rolled back to the snapshot. Now here I'll be explaining you how to manage the snapshots taken by the system. First we will be going to time shift, authentication required. Okay, yeah, I'll be clicking on the cross. So here we can see that this is the first snapshot that was captured when we first upgraded the system after the installation in the post installation steps. And this is the snapshot in which we have rolled back. Now this is the snapshot that is also working, but we don't need this snapshot because if there is something in this snapshot that you don't want, then you can directly roll back to this snapshot and again modify the system the way you want. So here this snapshot is somewhat redundant. We don't need this snapshot, so here we'll just delete this snapshot. Now as we can see, there are only two snapshots of the first installation and of the latest installation. Now here under tags we can see it's tagged as O means on demand. So this is how we can maintain the snapshots. And that's all for today's video. Thank you.